Good morning, children. Welcome back. I am Sonali ma'am. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and in great health. So, children, yesterday we had learned CVC O sound words. We had written 8 new words of CVC O sound words and we had seen pictures as well. Today we are going to write another set of 8 words. We are going to see pictures and read the words first. Then we are going to write the letters of CVC words and then we will do a small activity. So let's get started. First picture is fox. F-O-X, fox. Fox is a wild animal. Next one, pod. P-O-D, pod. A pod is a covering of peas, like the saying, 2 peas in a pod. Next picture, fog. F-O-G, fog. A fog is a heavy mist, like when it's cloudy, smoky, we can see fog. Next one, nod. N-O-D, nod. A nod is a movement of the head when you want to make a gesture. Next picture, cot. C-O-T, cot. A small bed for babies is called a cot. Next one, dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog is a pet animal. Next one, hop. H-O-P, hop. When we jump on one leg, it is called a hop. Next picture, pot. P-O-T, pot. It is a container to store water and other things. Now that we have seen and learned some new CVC words, let us now write it. We will start with today's date, which is 2525.6.2020. Then again on the same red line, 2 finger space, and we will write O, 1 finger space, S, O, U, N, D, sound, 1 finger space, W, O, R, D, S, O sound words. And like yesterday, we will again make 3 lines. So this is our first line, second line, and our third line. We will start writing on the first column. The first word for today is fox. So make a curve from the red line, make a standing line until the blue line, cross, blue line to blue line O, and slanting line and another slanting line, fox. F-O-X, fox. Fox is a wild animal. Next word, blue line to red line, bottom red line, come back up, and P. Pod. We are going to write today. Blue line to blue line O, red line to blue line, standing line, and a C. P-O-D, pod. A pod is a covering of peas, like the saying, 2 peas in a pod. Next word, fog. So again start with a curve on the red line, take it down to the blue line and cross, blue line to blue line O, again blue line to blue line C, go up and bring it down to the red line and curve. F-O-G, fog. A fog is a heavy mist, like when it's cloudy, smoky, we can see fog. Next word, N or D, nod. So blue line to blue line, standing line. Then make one bump. Blue line to blue line, O. Red line to blue line, standing line, and make a C. Nod. N-O-D, nod. A nod is a movement of the head when you want to make a gesture. Next word, K or T, cot. Blue line to blue line, you make a C. Blue line to blue line, O. Red line, a little bit below the red line, you make a standing line. Till the blue line, make a curve and a cross. C-O-T, cot. A small bed for babies is called a cot. Next word, D or G, dog. Red line to second blue line, standing line, and make a C. D or G, dog. Blue line to blue line, O. Again, you make a curve, blue line to blue line, take it up and bring it down to the red line and curve. D-O-G, dog. Dog is a pet animal. Next word, H or P, hop. Red line to blue line, standing line. Then make a blue line to blue line bump. Blue line to blue line, O. And blue line to second red line, bring it back up and make a reverse C. H-O-P, hop. Hop is when we jump on one leg, it is called a hop. Next word, P or T, pot. Blue line to second red line, make a standing line, go back up and make a reverse C. Blue line to blue line, O. A little bit below the red line, you make a standing line to the second blue line and make a curve and a cross. P-O-T, pot. It is a container to store water and other things. So children, these are our 8 O sound words. Let's read it one more time. Fox, fox. F-O-X, fox. P or D, pod. P-O-D, pod. F or G, fog. F-O-G, fog. N or D, nod. N-O-D, nod. K or T, cot. C-O-T, cot. D or G, dog. D-O-G, dog. H or P, hop. H-O-P, hop. P or T, pot. P-O-T, pot. This, children, you will write it in this 1 column, 2 column and 3 column. You will learn these spellings and you will revise the words also. I hope you all have understood, children. So children, for today's activity, I've got some pictures here which have got the sound O in it. Which sound it has got? O. O says O. So, let's see pictures one by one and let me see if you can guess what picture it is. Okay children, let's start with this first one. What is this picture? It is, yes, it is L or G, log. L-O-G, log. Now, for the second picture. Next picture, we can take this one. What picture is this? Yes, it is a dog. It is D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Very good. Then we have this. What is this, children? Yes, it's cot. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. Next picture we have is a, very good, it's a pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. And the last picture, what is this? It is a dot. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. So children, you can always find pictures with CVC words which has O sound in it, and you can gather the pictures and you can write the CVC words. I hope you all have enjoyed the activity. So children, I hope you all have learned the CVC words, O sound words properly. Please keep revising all the words that you have learned and written till now, and also try doing the activity at home. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.